Yung rainbow guys. So ito yung biyahe namin galing Perth. Ayan, may rainbow. Blessing, give me shower blessing rainbow.
And then just sit the window drawings.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what you guys don't understand about drawings.
But like I'm drawing a house or like an architect
Ito guys, oh.
No, artistic.
Wow.
of houses.
Klaro-klaro guys.
And they've got the amount they sell
Rainbow.
for. I think who comes and goes from.
No one's drug from it.
Doon yan, oh.
Like if you're drug front, you still
Rainbow,
have
yeah.
going, or are they round the back?
Ito, klaro na gino.
Drug fronts have
Uy.
So what's it?
Isn't it just used?
That's huge.
That's huge. Rainbow. Slightly nanibaw. Kadalan.
Like Ozarks.
Baka ng crown niya sa Tibyak.
Lagi.
Oh, so a drug front just means they're
Wow,
pretending
Santaya.
to be a
Santa
store,
lagi.
so they can
Anak
run
lang,
money through it.
Oh,
But drugs
sa
aren't
truck.
coming and going.
There's a truck and there's a rainbow there, oh.
Coming and going from the
Yan, oh.
Race.
I think it's just
Agola.
needs to be a legitimate
Ganda, no?
There's no drugs
You're gonna
there.
wash
Ay, duwa lang din po doon.
Diba gani? Nakuha na gani na, oh. Paano sa sumpay na sa tiyaw?
Swerte na doon.
Swerte.
It is tricky because
Gold na sa diyan.
Oh.
May gold na sa Sydney.
Diba ang rainbow? Oh, diba ang rainbow? Yo, boy. Dalawa yung rainbow guys, oh.
Ah!
Ayos ah. Dalawa tayo suswertein. Naghahandang shower ng blessing. Yung dalawa yung rainbow, oh. Wow.
Oh, and then they can pinpoint.
Ayan, may truck.
Oh,
Oh, rainbow daw.
Wow!
Oops. Ano sa dalan?
Nasaan ako rin po?
Ano maka-rainbow goods?
oh, I thought you could tell the like drug horns. You could tell where they originated from based on like the certain thing about them. So when you see it on the money, then I thought it made you smart.
And my mom driving the car going to Perth from Sydney. From Perth to Sydney. She's driving. See?
Because I want to know.
Powerful.
What did you?
3,000 kilometers.
3,000 kilometers.
One of our producers said, "Is this
I only did 419.
Ah, only 419 but now 3,000.
I still have to do
Kilometers.
2,600.
2,600 more.
Much demand.
beanbags? People love a beanbag.
Is there ever anyone in it?
I've never seen anyone in it. Have you ever needed a beanbag and go to the store? No, I've just gone to like Kmart and got myself a beanbag.
I think we are.
Someone suggested year-round Christmas stores.
Bantay kang garo, ah.